Well, first call of the morning on this older Duquesne. The customer is not here yet, so we're just gonna kind of. She said the AC is not working, so what we'll do, since they're not here yet, we'll look. I just got off the phone with them. We'll look and see if there's anything out here that's obvious. Instead of just sitting in the van waiting. Usually we take care of this one every year, do the maintenance on it. Coil's pretty clean, low voltage. She just showed up. Check the capacitor and see if we're any good there. $35.5, but I can't tell what's what. Capacitor's so rusted. So I went downstairs, everything looks good down there. R22. Pressures are good, 3 zones open. But I'm back here, I'm like, man, I can smell gas. So I get my spray out and I'm spraying. And the main shutoff from the street is leaking. So she's got to call the gas company and get that replaced. Oh, shoot. She tripped over the ground. Jeez, oh, Pete. I don't know why that ground's there. So she's got to get that gas leak repaired. But other than that, I don't know why they said they didn't have any AC. Maybe they didn't let it run long enough. Maybe because it's a big house. Maybe they didn't have the zones turned on right. Not sure. Maybe they thought they only had one thermostat because the customer had passed away and the daughters were out here and they said they didn't have any AC, but this thing's running like a champ for what it is. But yeah, it turned into a different call. Now she's got to call the gas company. Well, that was kind of a short call. I mean, I don't know if they didn't have the AC on right. I don't know. But you got a bunch of people in the house fooling with stuff that they don't know about. It's not their house. And then they think the AC's not working, so they call us. But on the other hand, pay attention to your surroundings. So you don't want to leave the house and you're over there twice and you smell gas. You don't want to leave the house without, let's say, bringing it to their attention, and that's what I did. And I told her, I'm like, I can't do anything. That is on the high pressure side. It was really weird where that leak was coming from. It was coming from the center of the valve, which is kind of strange, but whatever. So that's on the high pressure side. That's going to be the gas company. Nothing I can do with it. But I'm going down to her house, in the next city over. And I told her, I go, listen, if you call the gas company, they're going to be out here within the half an hour. So let's go get your house out of the way, and then you can come back up here to this house and deal with Simco, or the gas company. So just pay attention to your surroundings. I mean, if you know there's something wrong, figure it out. You know, it's your technician there. Figure it out for the customer. You know, you're just not out there for the AC. I mean, you're out there as a technician, and you know, bring it to their attention, because they don't know about it. I mean, if you can fix it, great. If you have to, you know, like plumbing issues, say if you run into a plumbing issue, if you can fix it, that's great. More money in your pocket, better off for the customer. They don't have to take time off work or whatever they have to do. Or if they have to call someone else, just make the customer aware of what's going on in their house. Oh, wow. Looks like the other heating and cooling company's on strike. I didn't even know they were a union. But whatever. They're out there picketing on the street. So that's it for this one. This is just a quick hey, no AC video, but hey, I found a gas leak. So you guys know what you need to do. Like and subscribe, and check me out on Facebook. Give me a like on Facebook, and I will see you on the next one.